Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get super containers in World of Warships. Super containers are special because they can give you big rewards like premium ships, doubloons, coal, premium time, and even rare items. First way is through daily containers. Let's go to the containers tab right here. After battles, when you choose your container, you have a small chance to get a super container instead of having a normal one. Just keep playing and opening containers daily. So here are the daily containers. And once you select a container that is available, you could try picking the try your luck containers. Instead of picking more coal or more credits containers, choose try your luck. These have a higher chance of turning into super containers. Third way is through events and missions. Some special events and combat missions reward super containers directly, so always check your missions tab. Fourth way is through ranked and special game modes. Sometimes super containers are given as rewards for ranked seasons, brawls, or special modes. Fifth way is through anniversaries and special celebrations. During events like the game's anniversary, super containers are often easier to earn. Quick tips: open containers every day, pick try your luck if you want super containers, and watch event rewards closely. And that's it. That's how you can get super containers in World of Warships.